كده واصل
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic in biology is about blood grouping. So we will discuss today blood grouping. The blood grouping was first determined by a scientist known as Carl Landsteiner. The system for blood grouping which he discusses was ABO system. According to this system, he described the four possible phenotypes of the blood in different persons. For example, A, B, AB and O. These four phenotypes of the blood group can be described according to the ABO system, which was discovered by Carl Landsteiner. For understanding the ABO system, we will first discuss the blood. The blood consists of different cells, RBC, WBC and platelets. So our topic blood grouping the ABO system is related with the RBC. For the first time, it was Carl Landsteiner who discovered that certain proteins are present on the surface of the RBC of certain persons, and he called these proteins as antigens. And basically, two types of the antigens were found. The antigen which he found in the blood samples of the different patients were of two types: antigen A or antigen B. So let me suppose the structure of antigen A in the circular form and that of antigen B in triangular form. Now, if a person has antigen A on the surface of his RBC, so his blood group will be A. And a person having antigen B on the surface of his RBC, his blood group will be B. And a person having both antigen A and B on his RBC surface will have blood group AB. And the person having no antigen on the surface of RBC, neither A nor B, so his blood group will be 0. Why? Because no antigen is present, 0 antigens are present, so his blood group will be 0 or O. So now we are going to discuss it diagrammatically. Let's suppose this is an RBC cell. Now let me take RBC of a person. Now clearly we look at here at the surface of RBC, round antigens are present. And we have discussed that round antigens are antigen A. So his blood group will be A because antigen A are present on the surface of his RBC. Now let's say another person having antigen B on the surface of RBC, so his blood group will be B. Now if we look at here, the antigen present here are in triangular form, and we call these triangular antigen as antigen B. So antigen B are present, the blood group will be B. If we look at here, both antigen B in triangular form and antigen A in circular form, both antigen A and B are present around the surface of RBC. So the blood group of this person will be AB. And if we look at here, the surface of RBC have no antigen, neither A nor B. So the blood group of this person will be O, or 0 blood group. After some time, when he discovered ABO system, according to this system, only 4 phenotypes of the blood of different person are possible. But after some time, he found that another antigen is also present in the RBC of certain persons. So he discovered another antigen beside antigen A and B, and that antigen which he found in the blood samples of certain persons, he called that antigen as RH vector. Let me suppose the structure of RH vector in this form. Understand? Now, if a person having RH vector or RH antigen in his in the surface of his RBC, so his blood group will be positive, and the person on which the person having RBC, where there is no RH factor on the surface of his RBC, so his blood group will be negative. Now we will discuss it furthermore on the basis of positive and negative blood groups. We have already discussed these AB and O blood group phenotypes of different persons. Now, if you look at here, only antigen A are present. No RH factor is present here, so the blood group will be A. A negative. Why negative? Because no RH factor is present. If RH factor is absent, the blood group will be automatically negative. If you look at here, antigen A are present along with RH factor. RH factor are also present. So antigen A are present, the blood group will be A. RH factor are also present, so the blood group will be A positive. Now look at here, only antigen B are present, no RH factor is present, so the blood group will be B negative. Here at the surface of RBC, RH factor are also present along with antigen B, so the blood group is B positive. Here only A and B antigen are present on the surface of RBC, but no RH factor is found here, so the blood group will be A, B negative. And here along with antigen A and B, RH factor are also found around the surface of RBC, so the blood group will be AB positive. Understand? No, here at the surface of RBC, no antigen A and B is present. Also, RH factor is also absent, so the blood group will be O negative. Here at the surface of RBC, neither antigen A nor B is present, but RH factor is present, so the blood group will be O positive. That's it.